In this lesson, we will look at working with images. To start working with images, you need to go to Data and then Work with Images. Here, you can specify which image you will be working with. An Insta screenshot is a screenshot of your entire active browser or a file that you already have. Here, you specify its path either by reading it from a variable, entering it manually, or providing a link. You can specify a variable here. It simply contains the link to the image. For example, you copied the image link from somewhere, say, from some information, and pasted it here. After that, you can perform various manipulations. For each screenshot, we can change its size either in percentages or pixels. For example, I want it to be 500 by 500. And I set its dimensions using the checkbox as desired. You can also crop the image by entering values here. You can perform a rotation as well. For example, I want to rotate it by 90 degrees. Here, you specify the value in degrees. So, you specify the settings for saving your image. Set the resolution. The higher it is, the larger your file size will be, and specify the path for it. For example, here, I'll type a dot and write JPEG. I start and perform this action. And I check what image has been saved. I see that the page has been rotated by 90 degrees. Close it. I can also add a watermark. Here you specify its position, enter the text, or, if it's an image, specify the text itself, and set the font correctly. You can also set the transparency. For example, here I'll write, hello. So that's how you save an image. I perform this action and check it. If you look here, the text hello has appeared on the image. I can also mirror the image horizontally, vertically, or horizontally and vertically. Let's flip it horizontally. We perform the action and check. I see that my image has been flipped. And in the same way, you can change the values here on the tabs. That is, your image carries certain values, kind of like a fingerprint, you could say. And if you want to mask them or somehow alter them, you specify a value here and change it here. You can do it manually, or you can specify a variable here by right-clicking. You can't, but do it the way I mentioned. Go into the notification logic and insert some variable here. I haven't created one. Here, copy it and then select some value here and paste it right here. These are all the functions related to images. Remember, you can work not only with screenshots, but also by selecting a file. Here, you specify the path to your file and put the links there. And it performs the same actions. That's all.